that maybe I'd look cooler if I had sunglasses on, but I think I'm just realizing I look like a bug. Maybe it's a cool bug. I don't know yet. In case you're like, who is this crazy person? I'm Cassie. And what is this? This is Joseph DIY, obviously. I'll pretend you didn't even ask me that. If you haven't subscribed yet, what the are you waiting for? But to my subscribers, I love you. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through how to do peel and stick wallpaper. Why peel and stick wallpaper, you ask? Because I am the queen of lazy. That is how I got so good at finding DIY hacks. I became obsessed because I found out how easy it was. So like I started with my laundry room and I even did the shelves. Like I have this peel and stick wallpaper that looks like wood. Then I did my closet and then I did my TV wall and then I did this brick wall. I also explored a little bit. I did these peel and stick wood planks in my bedroom. And I did this peel and stick backsplash in my kitchen. But if you don't want to believe me, you're right. It's like not like I have like, I don't know, 2 full drawers of peel and stick wallpaper. And if you're like, oh Cassie, you just did like a weird effect where you put the same wallpaper over and over again to the other side. And you want to know the sad thing? This isn't even all of them. So I dare you to question me again. I dare you. Okay, so we're gonna get into the process. So how I do it is I take a little bit of the paper off the back and then I cut it off. So it's just a little slice that's like got the sticky part at the back. And then I put that up against the wall and then I smooth it out with my little squeegee. Squeegee. I don't know if that's the right term, but I'm calling it a squeegee because it just feels right. And you're gonna use the squeegee and get it all smooth. And then you go back behind it and just take a little bit more of it down. And you don't have to keep cutting it. You could just like pull it down, use that squeegee, smooth it down. And then you just keep doing that over and over. The point of it is that when you just like if you take like all the back off and try to put it up against the wall, it's like gonna get all like it's gonna stick to the wall or stick to itself, and it's a pain. What was I saying? God, I have ADD. Oh yeah, so you're just gonna keep doing that over and over again, and then when you get to the bottom, you're gonna use like a box cutter and then just like cut it along like the seam so that you get a nice straight line. So if your peel and stick wallpaper starts like coming up a little bit in like an area, I have my favorite wallpaper adhesive that I use. It looks like this. I will link it below. But Cassie, like what if I'm trying to do it on a corner or something? Like what if I have a wall that has a corner and I'm gonna do it like around the corner? Thank you for asking, because I'm awesome at that too. Wow, like, do you see how good I made this look? Like, so like, maybe you should listen to my like quick tip real quick. So if you're thinking about like doing a peel and stick wallpaper, but you have to do it on like a corner for this like wall or whatever that you want to put it on. Oh my god, I have the perfect solution for you. You don't want to have it so where the corner is, that it's like the edges of the wallpaper, because it's going to be clear that that's like the edges. Like it's not going to look perfect. There's going to be places where it comes off. It's going to be easier for it to peel off. That is not what you want to do. So you want to try to wrap it around, but if you just wrap it straight how it is, like you have it on the wall and then you just like turn it and go, it's gonna be really hard to keep it like without any air bubbles. So what the trick is you want it to go a little bit past the edge of the wall when you're turning it, and then you're gonna cut it, and so like there's just like maybe like this much that's like overlapping the corner of the wall, and then it's like my nap time, so just give me a second. The best way to do it is to actually like cut it in like little pieces. So if you're gonna be using like a wallpaper that has like a line, so like for example when I was doing the one in my bedroom, it was bricks. So I tried to cut along like where that like grout or cement part is so that it was easier to like hide where I was cutting. So if you have that, then like try to use that to your advantage. So I'm gonna try to cut like along like one of these like little wood line things. So now you are going to fold it and you want to try to make sure you get it nice and tight at the corner first, otherwise you'll get like air bubbles at the corner. Like it'll like just like kind of pop out. And that is how you would do it around a corner. Oh, you like this video? So I know I'm pretty impressive, but believe it or not, I can't hear you through the computer telling me how awesome you think it is. So it'd be actually helpful if you liked it so that I knew you liked it. Like I know you do, but like just show me that you do and like it. If you've watched this video and you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you have a really nice day. But you should still check out my other video, because I'm pretty sure once you see how surprisingly impressive and creative I am, you will be like, damn! Cassie has some awesome DIY hacks that I've been missing out on. And then you'll subscribe. No doubt. And then I'll forgive you and pretend that you never doubted me in the first place. And if you really love me, then you'll share this video with somebody that you think would like also want to be super cool and do super cool DIY hack so that they could maybe be as cool as us. Okay, peace!